Hello, Game Maker community. I just thought I would show off a project I'm working on, see if anybody finds it interesting. Basically what this app is, it's an encyclopedia of life, from animals, fungus, protists, etc. And the encyclopedia kind of shows how all life forms are related. And the first thing I did was create this node-based editor system for myself. Basically how it works is each one of these boxes is an object, and I have it set so I can click a box to create a new node coming off of that, and I can rename these, I can change the settings, I can delete them, and also if needed I can move them to be childed to different nodes. And in that way I'm basically every index of the encyclopedia is one of these boxes, and I'm building it this way as an easy way to build this system for myself. And I'll show you how that works now. I just got to change the room order here real quick. And you'll see how that all comes together in a second. So when you hop into the app, you get this encyclopedia index here, where it has a big list of all of the things in the encyclopedia. And by searching here, let's search for GOR, and I get all of the results with those letters. And so let's say I want to select gorilla. And then I go right here to the encyclopedia page, and starting with gorilla here, I can look all the way back through all of its ancestors. The reasons these are question marks is just because I don't have art for these images made yet. And going all the way back to the very first form of life here. And the thing I think is interesting about this app that I'm making is if you want to learn more about any of the ancestors on this list, like such as, let's say I want to click on Metazoa, the first animals, I can click on that, and that becomes the new main branch of the tree here. And I can either keep going back, or I can click on one of its children to go forward in the list, like this. So I can go back, I could go forward, and then the last thing here is, let's click on one that I actually have a description written for yet. They also have keywords for the description of them. And so when that description variable is set, it automatically detects if one of those things is a keyword that I have in my list. And if it is, it makes it a clickable link. And I don't have that set up yet, but I have it detecting them, so that would be easy to implement once I actually have those descriptions set. And then I can go back to the encyclopedia. It defaults to showing all of the entries that I have so far, and I can keep going from there. And that's basically all I have right now, but all the basic stuff is there, so I can keep building on that forward. If you have any questions about how I implemented any of this, I'd be happy to answer.